Hi everyone, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're gonna make some porchetta on the Pit Boss Navigator 850. And the reason why I do this video is that I received a lot of questions about the rotisserie in the Navigator series or in any other pellet grill. People ask me, is it necessary to get a rotisserie? And the answer is no, it's not necessary, and I will prove it today. It's not necessary because the air is forced inside the barbecue and the air is turning around the meat. It's not the meat that turns on itself, it's the air that turns around the meat, like in your oven in your kitchen. So no, it's not necessary. The porchetta is maybe one of the best examples because you need a crusty skin on the outside and a tender and juicy meat inside. So let's go. To do that, we need, of course, pork breast. We need some spice and herbs, but everything is here and there in the description. So the first thing to do today is to rub the meat with all those herbs and spice and seeds, and then we will let the meat rest for 24 hours in the fridge, and tomorrow we will be able to smoke it, cook it, grill it, and make it crusty. All right, so let's go. All right, the meat is already wet, so it's perfect. We will start with the herbs and seeds, okay? So our porchetta is ready to cook, but we will wait 24 hours in the fridge, the time for all the herbs, spice, and to give a lot of flavor to the meat. All right, so see you tomorrow, same time. All right, now we will cook the meat at 150 Celsius degrees, 300 Fahrenheit degrees, until an internal temperature of 65 Celsius degrees, which is about 125, I think, Fahrenheit degrees. All right? Is it crusty enough for you? I think so. Look at that. So I hope you appreciate this video. You have seen now that it's not necessary to get a rotisserie inside a pellet grill, a pellet smoker, just because the heat is turning around the meat, and with that great access to the searing plate that you can open to access to the flames, you will get exactly and maybe a better result than with a rotisserie. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you appreciate. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.